Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Fiverr gig for logo design. If you're looking to start offering your logo design services on Fiverr, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your gig from start to finish. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your gigs and services. Now that you're logged in, look at the top menu and select My Business, then click on Gigs. This section is where you'll find all your existing gigs, drafts, and the option to create new ones. It's essentially your control center for managing everything related to your Fiverr services. Next, click on Draft in your Gigs tab. This will show you all the gig drafts you've started but haven't published yet. If you have a draft ready to turn into a logo design gig, this is where you'll find it. Hover your mouse over the gig you want to make into a logo design gig. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Edit. This opens up the gig editor where you can customize all the details to match your logo design services. In the Categories section, click the first drop-down menu and select Graphics and Design. This categorizes your gig under the right service type so potential clients can find you easily when they're searching for design work. Then click the second drop-down menu and select Logo Design. This further narrows down your gig's category, ensuring it appears specifically when people are looking for logo design services. It's crucial for visibility and attracting the right customers. Now, navigate to Logo Style and select Minimalist. This defines the type of logo design you'll be offering, helping clients understand your design approach and whether it matches what they're looking for. Scroll down and click Save and Continue. This saves your category settings and moves you to the next step of the setup process. You might notice a brief loading moment as Fiverr processes your selections. From here, you'll need to answer all required information on the next page. This typically includes details about your service, pricing tiers, delivery time, and any specific questions related to logo design. Take your time to fill this out thoroughly as it directly impacts how clients perceive your offering. Once you've completed all the required fields, scroll down and click Save and Continue again. This takes you further into the gig creation process where you'll add more details like your gig description, tags, and images. Continue to provide all necessary information until you reach Publish. This includes uploading portfolio samples, writing a compelling gig description, and setting your pricing packages. Each section builds your gig's profile and helps potential clients understand what you're offering and why they should choose you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Fiverr gig for logo design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.